Hey guys, Fumesh here, and welcome to another video here on the channel. So today we're not going to be opening the FIFA World Cup 2022 booster packs. We're actually going to go one Euro back, and we're going to go to the Euro 2020 packs. And this is the Nordic edition, just like with the World Cup packs. And I've got 20 of these packs, which I'm gonna be opening. And with my binder, with my Euro 2020 binder, I'm about halfway full, so about halfway done with that. And gonna try and get a step further to completing it today, even though I'm not gonna complete it all today, but maybe we'll get a step further, I think so. So let's just jump into it. So here in the first pack we got Ramos and Eriksson and Szczesny. So as I remember, the Nordic heroes are the most rare ones. No, it's not. It's the rare. Yeah, 9 rares. Yeah, I remember Mbappé was one of the rares. So the rares we would really like to get. All right. So in the first pack we got Bernardo Silva. Then we got Mbappé. Then we have Malinowski. We got Zelustka. And then we have Yankto, which is a fan's favorite. We got the Spain lineup. And then nice, all right. So we got a power-up, the Kia. And then we have the London host city location, which obviously was where the semifinals and the finals were played, at Wembley. So yeah, we're taking it a step back, so I have to remember all the players and all the locations, because it's, what is it, 1.5 years ago now. So yeah, we got Souček, we got Adjeti, we got Lehner, we got David Alaba, then we have Lustig, fans favorite, got the Ukraine team crest, then we have Verratti, Jorginho, and Barella, multiple, and maybe this is a rare. No, okay, it's just Pierre-Emil Højbjerg from Denmark. All right. It looked like it was going to be an insert card, but obviously not. What do we have here? We have Yasiki. Then we have Subnin. We have Martin Brathwaite. We got Tom Lockyer. Then we have Josip Brekalo from Croatia. Then we have the Ireland team. Then we got Ronaldo, Bruno Fernandes, and Bernardo Silva, multiple, and just a base card. All right. So I thought that was gonna be an insert. Just a base card. All right, let's go. So we have Fernandes, Roberts, Niklas Süle. We have Promise, Elvedi, fans favorite. We have Oyarzabal, fans favorite. We have nice, all right, Kasper Schmeichel, power up. And then we have Kingsley Coman from France. So we're gonna continue a bit here. Trying to pull something good. Trying to pull the rares, obviously. So we got Gunak, we got Meras, Lazaro, Sensi, Ashley Williams, fans favorite, Russia team crest. Then we have Selik, and all right, a Nordic hero, Toivio. So this is obviously only for the Nordic Heroes are obviously only for the Nordic edition packs like we have here. There's a little thing up there, but yeah, that's just how it is. That's what you get in these football cards because yeah, they easily get widening. So let us see what else there is to offer. Danny Rose, Brozovic, Klosterman, Tsiganov, Nankov. We got Lasse Schöne from Denmark, fans favorite. We got the England team. Then we got Antoine Griezmann, power up, and Switzerland, magic moment. All right, cool. So I think we are through 6 packs. I think so. All right, so Barella, Zinchenko, and Malas, Rafael Guerrero, France team crest, Marcus Rashford, fans favorite, Finland, a magic moment where they qualified for the Euros, and Thomas Delaney, Nordic Heroes. So I already think I've got him. Obviously the Nordic Heroes are good, but the rares are even better. So we would like some rares. That would be great. All right. Ludvig Augustinsson from Sweden, former FC Copenhagen player. Jorginho, Milik, Morata, Romania team, Saniolo, fans favorite, Memphis Depay from the Netherlands, and I can feel this is a rare, guys. Oh, Nordic Heroes. All right. Guaison, Robin Guaison, I don't even know him, but yeah. Nordic Hero, we've gotten a lot of Nordic Heroes, guys. So far, I must say. All right, so Sissoko, Jedvai, Piatek, then we have Yaremchuk, the Russia team, and we got Simon Kjær, fans favorite. Then we have London host city, which we already got this opening, and this is a rare. Okay, this is not a rare, but it's the France multiple, Mbappé, Griezmann, and Oliver Giroud. So I think we have 10 packs left, guys. All right. So let's see here. We got Ben Davis. Then we have Lod. We got Chilwell. Thiago. The Netherlands team. We got Hazard, fans favorite. Then we have Frankowski. And then we have Nordic Heroes, Christopher Olsson. All right, so I think we opened 11 packs, guys. And we got some, all right. Obviously we want some rares soon, but I'm gonna open the last 9 packs in the next video, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna split it up into 2 so the videos don't become too long. But thank you for watching, guys. It has been a pleasure, and like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next video. It has been Fullmesh. Bye bye.